Hi, welcome to Trading with TK, teaching you to turn ideas into money. We're at www.tradingwithtk.com, and today is Thursday, July 31st, the last day of the month, and tomorrow is the first day of the new month, so I would suspect that there'll be some fresh money coming in. There usually is in the beginning of every month, so it'll be interesting to see if it plays out that way tomorrow. I didn't get the close I wanted, but the good thing that came out of the close was my indicator is finally oversold. Now, I don't know why I was expecting a strong close with my indicator in the overbought territory. You know, wishful thinking, but I probably should listen more to my own indicator, don't you think? Anyway, it is oversold, and I think we're in pretty good shape for tomorrow. You know, I thought the market held up well all day until finally Mr. Greenspan, our ex-Fed guy, opened his big mouth and started talking about the economy having a 50-50 chance of a recession. These guys can't keep their mouths shut. You know, and I found out the other day, the day that the market broke my that support area where I said no more wiggle room, that we had to have a big rally the next day. That day, the Philadelphia Fed governor opened his mouth and was bad-mouthing the economy too. A lot of these guys keep their mouths shut. Boy, they're no friends to the market. I say this over and over again, and they just keep giving me more and more evidence to prove it. Unbelievable. Anyway, the indicator is oversold. It may get a little more oversold by tomorrow, but it's certainly in a position where we can rally out of this area. Okay, what else have I got? I got a new idea tomorrow, and we'll take a look at the stock we bought this morning, Pier 1, and then we'll take a look at the major indexes, see if the picture's still intact, which it is. So the idea for tomorrow is ATML. In just a moment, we'll show you the chart, and I'll show you how we're going to take this idea and turn it into some money. Don't go away. I will be right back. Okay, we're looking at a daily bar chart of ATML, and this is a call on the long side. We'll be looking to buy this stock tomorrow between $3.50 and $3.40. My target is $4.50 up here, the old high. My sell stop would be a close below $3.15, right down here, for those of you who like to use sell stop orders. And what do I see here? Well, you know, starting to see these same pictures. My favorite pattern, coming off a low, coming off a bottom, and we've got this ascending triangle formed here. And we had our first breakout coming through here, and you can see we've pulled back a couple times, and looks like we're getting ready to go. So I mean, if we pull back one more time down around this 340 area, I believe it will be a gift. So, but I think if you can get anywhere around the close, you'll be doing pretty good. Because now not only do we have that top, but now we have this top of the ascending triangle. So maybe one more time down, we get in, and then a blowout on the upside. Looks a little bit like that IPG chart. Okay, so let me recap this. This is ATML. This is a call on the long side. When it's all said and done, I'm looking to make $1 on this trade, which is about 35% return on our money. Okay, this is Pier 1 Imports. We bought it this morning at $3.81. It rallied a dime or 15 cents after that, and then pulled back and closed on the low of the day. But let's remind everybody why we bought this stock and what the picture is we're looking at. And it's also in an ascending triangle, and I would suspect in a day or two we'll break out through the top side, and then the pattern will be locked in place, and we'll be off and running, so to speak. I don't expect it to get to our target in a week or two, because I mean, we're looking to double our money in this. This could take a little while, take a couple of weeks. Okay, so that's my new idea, ATML, the one we bought this morning, Pier 1. And now let's take a look at the indexes. and see if the picture's still intact, which it is. This is the Dow. Okay, we pulled back. We didn't quite get all the way to support. We did close on the low of the day, but that's no concern. I believe the picture's still intact, backing and filling. I do believe we're going to break out above this high. Transportation average didn't go anywhere, didn't even pull back to support. It's just basically catching its breath, backing and filling as I call it, building up its strength for the next move up. Russell 2000, same story, didn't pull back much at all. It's just backing and filling, catching its breath, building up its strength for the next push. SPY, which is basically the Standard & Poor's 500, looks similar to the Dow. Didn't pull back quite as much as the Dow, but you know, like I said, my indicator is oversold, so I suspect that we'll get some sort of a rally sometime tomorrow. Okay, the QQQQs. Let me remove all these, and I'll explain them to you as I draw them back in. This is one great-looking pattern. This is a reverse head and shoulders, this being the head, left shoulder, right shoulder. It took a long time to build that right shoulder, but we were patient. And actually today, it stuck its nose through the resistance area for a short period of time and then pulled back. Now my prediction was it would be through by the end of this week, and I only have one day to go, so wish me luck. I think we have a great shot at it. And anyway, if it doesn't happen on Friday, it will happen on Monday, because the picture is there. It's ascending triangle, reverse head and shoulders, V bottom. See it? Okay, until tomorrow, that's my view of the market. This is TK signing off.